Hi and welcome back to the channel. Looking for a video about how to do squats? Well, it seems you have come to the right video. The squat is a simple movement that works the largest muscle groups in your body. When done correctly, it is an incredibly effective exercise for building strength, size, and power. There are many benefits to squatting, including increased strength and size of the muscles in your legs, as well as increased power and explosiveness. Additionally, squats help to improve your overall balance and coordination. If you are new to squats, or have never done them before, this guide will show you how to do perfect squats for beginners. So, how to do a perfect squat? If you're new to squats, start with a light weight and focus on perfecting your form. There are a few things to keep in mind when doing a squat. First, keep your feet shoulder width apart and your back straight. Second, bend your knees and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Make sure to keep your chest up and your back straight during the entire movement. To complete the squat, simply stand back up to the starting position. If you're new to squatting, start with body weight squats. Once you've mastered these, you can move on to weighted squats. To make body weight squats more challenging, hold your hands out in front of you, or raise your heels so you're standing on your toes. Be sure to use the proper form to avoid injury. So, are you ready to do squats now? Let us know in the comment section below. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.